Good morning, everybody. Hello, what up? 8 minutes till we start. 8 minutes, just like up the stream and get some questions in. We have big news in 8 minutes as well. Huge news. Good morning, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Let's get some questions and tickets in. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Push. Right, good morning guys. We will start in 2 minutes, right? Let's keep the questions coming in. I see everyone posting, that's fantastic. Let's get some questions in as well. It goes a long way. I like the questions more than the tickers because I'm a human and not a robot. So if you're struggling with anything in trading, because I know everyone is, I do as well. So don't be shy to ask the question because I'm sure everyone else has the same one. We do have news in 1 minute. It is going to be very, very important to know what this does. So we can go to calendar. 50 seconds. You can watch the SPY whilst we're at it. I'll change my chart over so we can keep an eye on it. There we go. So I'll just be on mute for like a minute and then I'll see you guys shortly. All right, so 10 seconds till news. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoosh. All right, what's going to happen here? Let's see. Not really much of an impact, to be honest. Pending. GDP news. Unemployment claims as well. So there's lots of news come out. Yep, lots of news come out at the same time. Oh, green. All right, cool. So not too much volatility. Very strange. Don't know why, but it is what it is. I'm not complaining. Okay, good morning. What up, Totes? Yo. What up, my friend? Guys, I know not many people are chart requesting on Twitter because they cannot. But there's a simple solution to it. All you do is tag me in it, right? You just have to tag me, write Tiger Line Trades, and then ask me to write a ticker. So I will just do something like that. I've just reposted the link so you can copy it. Or sorry, I've reposted what I normally say. So I said I'm going to filter my replies to verified accounts only to limit bot spamming. All you have to do is tag my name. So Tiger Line Trades, please chart, so on and so forth, right? That's for Twitter moving forward. All right, let's see. Good morning, Totes. What up? What up, Amit? Hello. VCIG, what's happening here? Nothing on VCIG. Looks like it's coming down. Maybe entries above VWAP only. So right now it's below VWAP. This is the green line. If it's below VWAP, it acts as an area of resistance and it shows that it's bearish. VCIG entries are only above VWAP. Okay, so if you don't have this indicator, all you have to do is type in VWAP and it will come up. Simple solution. ZEO, let's see. So this one obviously has rejected VWAP. That's why for me personally, although it's in a bullish chart pattern, I still do wait for it to at least get above VWAP. Right now we can just remove that and we can put something like this, which is a downtrend. This $3 psychological level, I also will remove it. And I will just keep it like this for now. So right now this is bearish. I would cut your loss if you're down more than 10% and move on to the next play. Like up the stream, yes. What up, AB? Is LZN the chosen one? It's the kind of play that has volume at the moment, yeah. But we're starting to get strong top wicks here and here, so we can use like this resistance level, 725, 1 rejection, 2 rejection, 10 minutes worth of price action, but we will have to wait and see what happens here. Discord members, you can apply the candlestick strategy or you can wait for pullback to VWAP for a possible reversal. So maybe it can reject, come down to VWAP, and push to the upside. So this is definitely a play that I would be watching for now. All right. CGBS. This ran yesterday, if I'm mistaken. Yes, it did. So CGBS, if we're looking on the 4-hour, there's no range. There's a lot of wicks. This indicates a lot of selling pressure, a lot of indecision. 1 hour, nothing exciting going on here. For me, I would just avoid something like this. It is 7 cents as well, so I just would not even trade this at all. So just delete this off your watch list. Do not trade this. Avoid trading this 7-cent stock. All right, you don't want to be trading a 7-cent stock. Just because you can buy 1 million shares doesn't mean you can make $1 million. Game, what's happening with Game? Games just in a demand zone. This is where possible entries are. You can put it in Confluence with a $30 psych level. I know it had Bitcoin news and all that stuff, but for me, it's nothing crazy. It doesn't really mean anything. That's just my honest opinion. But yeah, you have $30 and you have a demand zone, so there is a possible reversal forming here. So game, possible reversal. Now please understand this. All right, Sandeep, I want you to hear something, okay? If you enter this trade right now, place a stop loss right now, okay? Do not try and have no stop loss. Do not try and hold it for $700, and do not try and hold it past your stop loss or wherever if it keeps going down. Have a stop loss in mind, have a target in mind, and execute the trade. That's all I can tell you. But if you're just gonna buy it and have no stop loss or no target, then you're gonna be a recipe for disaster and probably blow your account, and then you're gonna be upset and angry because you didn't listen. All right? But I hope you're an experienced trader and you know that you should do that. So I'm hoping that will be the case. Possible sending triangle here. It's not the cleanest of ones. Maybe you can use a 650. 66.5. There we go. So possible sending triangle. Obviously we closed above here. Maybe it's going to push to the upside now. So this is a bullish chart. This is an ascending triangle. If you don't know what that is, it's a continuation pattern. Okay. So yeah, this is Hood. Where's large caps? Large cap Discord. Hood looking good. Yeah, Hood looks bullish, looks good, but we do have weekend, end of the week kind of coming up. Just be cautious of that. All right, keep the questions and stuff coming in. I will get to every single person. All right, how high can Hollow go? So EAM has asked me a question that I wish I knew, but I'm just going to tell you something, EAM. Please listen up very carefully. Right, just think about this logically. I know I'm a very good trader, okay? And I make a lot of money sometimes in the market, but you've got to understand something. No one, right, not even a robot or a bot or AI or anything can tell you how high a stock will go. So you need to remove that from your terminology. You need to stop asking those kind of questions because they're stupid, they're irrelevant, they're not going to get you anywhere, okay? You need to understand something. You need to understand technicals. If you want to understand how high or where the next resistance level is, that should be a better question, or maybe you should rephrase it. So understanding what that means is that you should look at the chart, look left on the chart, see where the resistance level is, and aim for those next resistance levels. I don't know how high it will go. I wish I knew, because if I knew Hollow was going to $500 or it was running crazy yesterday, I would have taken out a loan, I would have put all my money in, and I would have made a lot of money. All right, so just stay focused, okay? So please stop asking those questions because I do not know the answer to it, all right? And no one does, so I don't know. No one will be able to tell you. If they do, they're lying, okay? Sorry, that might hurt your feelings a bit, but that's the truth. I can tell you, if you want to take the trade, you can wait for an entry above 1010, and your next resistance level is around here at 1180. Okay, so that means if you enter at 1020, you can aim for a nice little 13%. When you enter the trade above 1020, have a stop loss and then aim for this level over here. Simple, easy. There's your risk management plan, because you have your stop loss in place, you have your target in place, and you're trading with the correct trade size. You're not full porting it. You're using less than, I would say, 30% of your account per trade, right? That's something I suggest, but it's up to you. If you want to take out a loan, it's up to you. You can do as you please. Just giving you my feedback, that's all. PLRZ, what's happening with PLRZ? Nothing on PLRZ. Maybe you can wait for this resistance at 151. That would be a good entry point. PLRZ, 151 break equals entries. Once it breaks above 151, you can take the trade. If you enter now, you are a complete idiot. All right? So do not take the trade now, because that's just stupid, right? We're not stupid people. We're very smart. Right, let me get this live trading on YouTube now. Join. Everybody get in. Get in, get in, get in, get in, get in. Everybody get in. Cat, dog, mouse. Create an account for all of them. Get them in. All right, we have it there. Cool. Unemployment claims red. Okay, NVTS. Where's NVTS? NVTS is not on my watch list. This ran yesterday or the other day. So NVTS is currently in a downtrend. 718 is your big resistance. If you look at this level here, why is it 718? Because we can see every time it gets here, 1 rejection, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means that you should never, ever, 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 ever buy below 718. Okay, because the chart is bearish, and that means when it's bearish, there's a high probability it will go down. Simply just wait for a candle to close above 718 to take your entry point. If you want to enter now, you are done. Entries above 718. All right, if you enter below, can't help you with that one because it's very simple not to do that. Right, NCNA. NCNA, I think I went over this one already. No, NCNA, look at the chart. Let's go to a larger time frame. What do we see with NCNA? We see that it's 3 cents. That's a red flag for me. And also it's coming down, strong bearish trend for me. I avoid something that is 3 cents. I don't even trade something below $1. So yep, right now, very, very bearish. Another stock I would avoid. Maybe it's in the demand zone for your kind of setup to push up. Fair enough, but for me, I would just avoid it. All right, up to you though. Just give me my feedback. What do you think about SGN? I'm a hopeful bag holder from yesterday. Where is the stop loss, Mr. Brian? Where is the stop loss, my brother? When are you going to use a stop loss? Entries are above 279. There's no sign of reversal right now, unfortunately, so I can't help you. How do you identify the demand zone? So we have a seminar on it in the Discord. You're welcome to join there. But just a quick tip, it's the last red candle before the big move to the upside. OLB. OLB, we're in the 4-hour chart. Very, 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 very low volume on this. This is something that will definitely not respect technicals. However, if you're trying to take a trade on this for some reason, maybe you can wait for $2. That's what you can do. Reason is, this is a strong psychological level. If you get above here, it shows that there's a bullish trend. It shows that it has high volume. It shows that it's in demand and that buyers are probably going to continue to push the price up of the stock. All right, so OLB entries are only above $2. Anything below, I cannot help you. Morning all, what up, Brian? Don't forget to hit the like button. Yes, like. Okay, so we have 27 likes in here and we have 85 people. I know we can get more, so we're just going to wait till we get 50 likes and then we will continue. So I'm going to put myself on mute. Once we get to 50 likes, then I will continue, guys. That's all you have to do is just literally write or give 50 likes. Make sure to post or like it underneath the video, not on the comment section, right? All right, it's not much to ask, right? It's all I can ask. It literally costs you $0. It's free. I'm giving you this education for free as well, right? I don't have to do this, but I'm doing it because I enjoy teaching people. So all you have to do is show some. You just have to like up the stream, all right? It literally costs you $0. So let's see. All right, we got 29. Come on, guys. We only got 2. Push the gas. We just need 50 likes. It is very easy to do. Very, very simple. All right. Also, don't spam in the chat. I don't know if anyone is, but I'm just giving you a heads up. Don't, because you will be removed. I'm going through every single person's question. All right. Please just bear with me. Right. 42. There we go. There we go. There we go. Guys, it should be natural instinct to do it. Right. Should be there now. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. We are nearly there. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Push the gas. Right, there we go. Easy. What up? Let's go. HCTI. What's happening with this? This thing is also like 1 cent. Just avoid something like this. I don't care if the chart looks like it's reversing or it has a possibility to go up. The thing is 1 cent for me. I just wouldn't touch it. If you have to take the trade, maybe above the high. 129. That's what I suggest. HSAI. HSAI entries only above 22.33. 22.33. Right now there is nothing going on with it. 22.33. Right, please don't enter below because it's not doing anything. TMC, haven't heard that one in a while. Is it actually running? This is a former runner. So TMC, we can use large time frame, 4 hour. What's happening? So we are in a bullish trend, which is the first indication of a possible entry. The next thing we can identify is that we have a psychological resistance at $5, like this. And then we can draw the chart like that. So if you see here, we have an ascending triangle, which is bullish, right? So hopefully this should break up, but if you get any strong wicks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ignore it, okay? In order for this to break out, it needs volume, but I mean, I can expect it to break out. I would just definitely have a max 5% stop loss on this play. All the hello people like get fired up. Yep. What up, totes? What up, what up? Thanks so much. Yes, Kevin, you are right. Shout at them. Zio. What's happening with Zio? Zio is in a downtrend. Your entry is only above the downtrend. Zio entries are only above downtrend, right? If you enter below, that is not a good idea. Entries are only above. SGBX. SGBX down 14%. For me, when something is down 14%, I know it ran yesterday, all good and well, but right now there is nothing going on. Yes, there's a possible reversal of $1. For me, just doesn't really suit my eye. I just would like to focus and make it easy for myself and only trade the top runners and top gainers. I don't want to try and get in this, hope it will reverse, because I could be sitting here for a few years and I don't want to be sitting here for a few years to make some money on a trade. All right, SGBX entries above 125. You can put an alert on this, right click on the trade, right click 125, click create alert 125. Once it breaks 125, you can look for an entry. All right, that's how you can trade it. Can I look at AMC? AMC is bullish right now. It's broken out. Expecting continuation to the upside. Obviously, it came down 13% yesterday. Let me just update some levels here. 415. 415. Where's this for? 475. So it broke out of this previous level here that I had marked. But 475, 415 is your first next level to watch. So 4.75. There you go. These are your key levels. What we can do is just update this chart. So what I'll do is do something like that. Draw the trend. There you go. Don't really like this kind of uptrend since it is a pretty steep uptrend. You want something a little more, at least get more touches than this. 2 touches is not good enough. Bullish trend. Okay, can you please again say yes? SMCI bull's great. I like it long term, as I will say it over and over again. SMCI entries are only above $46 for me. Nothing right now. Bull, what's happening with the bull? Bull still looks good. I like it. Expecting it to continue to go up. I'm in this for the long term. When you say candle should close above, is it 1 minute or 5 minute? I use 5 minute time frame. You can use whichever time frame, but I like to stick with the 5 minutes since I day trade. NVTS entries are only above 718. Please do not enter below. TEM. TEM is bearish. Huge sell-off here. Percy just would leave it, would not touch it. Yeah, nothing on this. Wouldn't even consider any entries on this right now. Needs to at least form an uptrend to at least push to the upside for it to have some kind of momentum. Bitcoin's bullish. Here's Bitcoin. It's pushing to the upside. Weekly is looking good. All right, ZEO. What's happening with ZEO? ZEO is still coming down. Only entries are above downtrend. Thank you, Anita. Yes, you have to implement stop loss. That's why I think with the Discord, what is so amazing with it, and we have a great retention rate, and why people stay in the Discord is because The first thing is that they don't blow their account straight away. Why? Because the first thing they do is watch the first video, which is compulsory and mandatory for every single trader. All they have to do is simply watch it, and it will change their life. It is the risk management and journaling setup or journaling seminar, so they can understand what risk management is. The first thing we talk about is a stop loss, the most important part of trading, what your trading size is, and everything else there. From there, you can then build your own risk management plan. We already give you one, but it is also mandatory to watch those videos so you can understand, at least have an idea of what you need to do when you take a trade. HTCR breaking. Don't know what it's breaking. Nothing right now. ORIC. I think $7. ORIC. Don't really like these wicks right now. Maybe you can take it above here, above 760. Thank you so much for your time. No problem. No worries. No worries. VCIG. Is this running? VCIG has come straight down. That's why I mentioned only entries are above VWAP. Do not take a trade below VWAP. TEM went over TEM already. Yeah, nothing on TEM. OSCR, nothing on this either. Yeah, OSCR very bearish. No entries on this at all. I don't see any potential on it. I don't know anything about the company, but I can tell you that technically speaking, it is in a downtrend, which is no good. So this is OSCR bearish. All right. Okay. MLG, do you think it's good to happen in the stock? Do you think anything good? I don't know. I don't know anything about the company. I can tell you that it's in a downtrend right now and it's not looking good. MRT, what's MRT? MRT, very low volume, definitely not my kind of trade setup. It's also in a downtrend. Don't know if there's news coming in or whatever, but right now it doesn't look like anything's happening. Bearish. So it's just bearish downtrend. NUKK, I would avoid this play. It is a very big pumper stock from my knowledge. Not really interested in something like this. You can see the trend. I don't really like it. Yeah, nothing on this. Personally, would just avoid it. LAES, Lays, entries only above 389. Do not take an entry below. Risk management is far more valuable than catching big gains. Yes, because then you understand how to cut your loss quickly and focus on the runners. AVGO, at the moment, you just at a resistance. Difficult to trade something like this, maybe above the high. I know it's $248, but just sharing technicals on this because there's a big resistance level right here. ALZM seems to be going to double digits. It's pushing $10 to your next psychological level. So yeah, $10 to your next level. I definitely wouldn't be buying now. You're buying at the highest point. I would definitely use a strategy to look for entries on this. RGTI is bullish. QUBT is also bullish. They both look very good. They both look very good. I like RGTI. I've posted about 500 times. QUBT, I still do like this play. It is still in an uptrend. I like these stocks for long term. Up to you what you decide on them. Quantum is great to invest in my opinion. Yep, right now looking good. It's breaking this high here, 1337. Should continue to go up. Make sure to have stop loss. What kind of access do you get for join 3? There's no difference in 1 month. It's exactly the same thing. It just works out cheaper, that's all. But simple, what you get in the Discord is very cheap in my opinion. You get live trading for 2 hours every single day except Fridays. I just do live trading for an hour because I have other commitments since I live in Dubai, time zone and everything. You have live trade alerts, entry, stop loss, target. You have swing trade alerts. You have option alerts. You have the seminars on our strategies, how I take my trades, why I take my trades. The reasonings are there for pretty much every single trade I take, so on and so forth. But yeah, it's an absolute steal in my opinion. Prices will be going up in July. So in my opinion, I would take advantage. No, I would not enter LZN now. Up to you if you want to enter. SMLR, I would only enter above $50 right now. Don't know anything about the stock. Yeah, $50 is a big psych level. WRD, this broke above 1050, which is a big level, looking like it's going to continue to push up here. Broke above, retested this level here, now should continue to go up. Make sure to take profits. So we have $12 and we have 1350. 13.5. There you go. So this is my WRD prediction. What is this? Sweet ride. Don't know what that is. Hassie Tiger, don't pump stocks so we can just take the day trade alerts. Yes, exactly what Emma said. And we're also here. I'm here pre-market, literally from pre-market open. Hassie's here from pre-market open or from market open all the way till market close, and doing after hour alerts as well. So you get a lot of value. I know Discords are literally there for 20 minutes after open and then they leave their members because they don't care about them and they just spam alerts as many as they can. We do not do that. We are here to teach you. Cool, awesome. Just make sure to claim Discord access. If you can also please do me a huge favor, because 99% of people don't do it and it annoys me, is watch the intro video so you can understand which each channel means in the Discord. It's there for a reason as well. Live trading will start in 30 minutes. Thanks. Zio may turn into open. It may or may not. Entry for PLZ, still 151. Yeah, I would wait for 151. If you want to enter here, you can. I just wouldn't enter so close to open. Well, it's not that close, but just, I would wait it out for now. CTMX, I like this play. Big resistance here at 250, waiting for that to break, and then I'll look for possible entries on it. APLD, this runs with Bitcoin, so it's pretty much following the same price action. Yeah, right now, nothing on this at all. You have a major resistance here at 768. I'm going to move it to 770 just to make a nice psychological level. Yeah, I would definitely not be buying now since there is starting to be a lot of rejections. Well, there are a lot of rejections here. So APLD, entries above 770. Anything below, I can't really help you. I don't know what to do. BOSC. BOSC is running. I see this crazy wick here. Just would avoid this for now. Let it do its thing and see if it can actually hold into open. We'll keep it on my watch list and see if it gives any possible entries. ACHR. ACHR is no good right now. Maybe entries can be above here, 1179. Actually, sorry, here, 1188. Reason is a lot of resistance here. Break above, you have clean range to the upside. So this is ACHR, swing entries above 1188. Right, so write an alert, whatever you need to do. You can right click here, create alert, 1188, and take the trade once it breaks that high. SOUN, I'm in this for long term. I like the stock, looks great. 1140 and 1265. Okay, I'm gonna go through my watch list and then I'm gonna head into Discord, reply to a couple of messages, and then get ready for live trading. All right, so ALZN guys, as I mentioned, you can decide if you want to take the trade. For me, I would not take a trade here. This is starting to push to the downside. Whatever you decide, it's up to you. Right now, it's at a resistance. That's all I can tell you. IMNN, nothing exciting on this. I thought it was going to push up. Nothing great on that. ECIG, still nothing on this. Maybe it's finding support here, but still bearish. ZIO, still bearish. SPRO, going to watch 231 on this. ALZN, or PLRZ, sorry, 151. Okay, last one I'm going to do is Criminal, then I am heading out. Criminal, nothing on this, little pop and dump. Yeah, not a great stock. Nothing on this, nothing. That's probably getting pumped. Just leave this one alone. Leave this one alone. Don't see anything on it. It popped and it came straight down, just like it has every other time. Down, 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 here, down. All right. Anyways, hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I will see you all tomorrow. Maybe I might do live trading. I'll see, because I'll probably do live trading in the Discord instead of YouTube. All right. So yeah.